Hey guys, what's up? This is Ernest here, and today I am here to review a good product by name Cinematico. And Cinematico is going live anytime now in a couple of minutes. So be ready, sit back and relax and check out my review. If you're into online marketing, stop wasting your time making dull videos and instead you can use Cinematico to create engaging videos for your clients, which is much faster and easier. All you have to do is to know how to use PowerPoint, a simple PowerPoint. If you know how to use PowerPoint, you can use all the templates that Cinematico has to offer and make engaging, wonderful videos in just 4 simple steps. You can just select the templates from any niche, mix and match, customize, and voila, you have your videos ready to publish. You have hundreds of video templates and animations to make your videos stand out. Have lots of fun trying to cinematic style marketing videos. Create videos from any niche, e-commerce, story, real videos, product teasers, event promotions, YouTubes, memorial videos, video blogs, and how to do it videos. So now let me play a video for you. You can have a look at the video and then we'll get into my bonus page. So guys, that was a very short video. So now let's get into my page. Earnestly awesome bonuses. Apparently you'll get all my bonuses once you click the link below and buy Cinematico from me. Let me show you the bonuses. Bonus number 1, you have SEO and ranking tracking tactics. You can get the insider tip on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a pro. Bonus number 2, how to write compelling headlines. You can learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will capture your audience instantly. Bonus number 3, your content marketing guide. Make more money with less effort using these killer content marketing tips. Bonus number 4, high profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build a high profit blogs every time and make real money. Bonus number 5, all the vendor bonuses once you pick up Cinematico from me. You can click here and go into the sales page and make your purchases. What is Cinematico all about, which I already told you, and you can go through this later. And the prices. Sales funnel. It's a very simple proven funnel to maximize conversions. We have just 3. Cinematico Pro Pack, which will cost you only $27 with a regular license. Cinematico Business Pack, $37, $10 more with a commercial license. Cinematico Lite is $29, just $2 more than the regular one with a commercial license. I would suggest you Cinematico Business Pack. It's just $10 more, but you get a lot of templates, which will be really very useful for you. So for that $10, don't miss out on these awesome templates and animations. And one more thing what I would like to tell you, my friends, is it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, but it's only against technical faults. This is not a software that promises you to make money. This is a software with a lot of templates that you can use and make money out of these templates, making your own videos. And therefore, there won't be any technical glitch. But supposing you find some, you can always get back your money. But there is a clause. You are supposed to delete all the templates from your PC or computer once you decide to take back your money. That is a fair deal, right? Well guys, I almost forgot to tell you about the vendor bonuses. What all you get? What all you'll get in the vendor bonuses? There's an exclusive review and bonuses offer for Ernest Felix loyal subscribers. So you can easily create world-class parallax and cinematic style videos in 3 easy steps without pricey, complicated software. This is your solution to create unlimited engaging videos, 65% faster and 85% cheaper than hiring a video designer. So along with this, what do you get? Exclusive bonus number 1, promotion explainer videos. Bonus number 2, YouTube channel cover. Bonus 3, event branding and promotion. Bonus number 4, video channel logo brand. Bonus 5, online coupon offer design. Bonus number 6, e-commerce product YouTube ads. Bonus number 7, micro video profit starter. Exclusive bonus number 8, YouTube video marketing. Bonus number 9, ClickBank video product. Bonus number 10, PowerPoint video collections. Bonus number 11, video marketing excellence. And bonus number 12, promotion video packs. So all these bonuses, extra bonuses you'll be getting, they are all very good bonuses. You can see it for yourself. So hurry up, don't miss out on this beautiful chance and pick up all the 12 vendor bonuses along with my 4 bonuses. All the best. So that's it guys, came to the end of the review. I hope you liked my review, and if you like my review, subscribe to my channel and also share my video to all your friends who will be requiring Cinematico. I would be very happy if you can put a thumbs up and comment if possible. Until next time, see you. Bye.